Hey guys, welcome back to my class. I'm here to teach you how to draw a very cute bunny with some simple shapes. I'll start with drawing the face of the bunny first. So I'm going to divide the face of the bunny into two different shapes. So the lower part of the face will look like an oval, and then I'm going to add a semicircle on the top. I'm going to draw a circle for the nose and the mouth. Now I'll draw a circle for the body. This bunny has a very long and big feet, so I'm gonna draw three curves and then draw a curve for the feet. And now it's time to draw the ears. These flappy and long ears touch the feet. Go down and connect it to the feet. Now I'll connect all the shapes and draw the actual shape of the bunny. You can erase all the unnecessary lines you don't need. So I'm going to connect the oval and the semicircle with the curve. Now I'll draw the circle which is going out of the face a little bit, and then I'll draw the nose inside the circle, which looks like a triangle, an upside down triangle with the curvy edges. And then now I think we have to make the circle bigger, so I'll just make the circle a little more bigger. And then draw the nose. And now you can draw the eyes. Two ovals for the eyes and a small little mouth. I also want to draw the feet a little more bigger, so I'll just extend a little more and then draw the big feet. And then I'll connect the body to the feet. draw a big circle or an oval in the center of the feet. And then I'll draw the ears going down and connecting to the feet. This is the folding part of the ears. And then draw the folding part. And that's it. You can go back and fix the things you want to. Now we are done with the drawing. You can go ahead and trace the whole drawing with a Sharpie. Now you can erase all the pencil lines. You can use any medium you want to color the bunny. You can use your color pencils, your oil pastels, your markers, your brush pens, or even paints. You can even draw a nice background for this picture, maybe some grass, some carrots, some birds wandering around, and then color it. this is how we draw a basic bunny with some simple shapes. Isn't it really pretty and easy to draw?